everyone, today I am showing you how I made the pop-up cards for the art rate inches I did for Hulma MNL 2020. I drew a character I mostly draw all the time with its big eyes and a face body like Kirby. I am using Frolic Faber-Castell colored pen since no blotching is visible afterwards. My art style depends on my mood and my inspirations of the day. The coloring part is where the real fun was for me, since it is so satisfying when you color using colored pencils. I already pre-cut and glued the pieces of the pop-up card, so what is left to do now is to design the card itself. Adding up shimmer to the artwork is also satisfying, especially when I used the Jelly Roll metallic pens I bought last year for my birthday. I just drew random doodles in the pop-up card to make it more fun and unique. The message I wrote down was craft on, since all artists have different styles of art and mediums they use. Unique and creative, ready to craft anything their wild imaginations can think of. If you like my videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to get you updated on our upcoming videos. Also, do leave us a comment suggestion on what art should I make next. Thanks for watching. Bye!